COVID-19 lockdowns have forced children indoors, where lack of physical activity and bad eating habits could lead to higher incidence of childhood obesity. According to the Healthy Caribbean Coalition, in a 2017 fact sheet, 1 in 3 Caribbean children is overweight or obese. In a bid to tackle the childhood obesity rate in the Caribbean, a new initiative entitled Now More Than Ever, Better Labels, Better Choices, and Better Health has been launched. President of the St. Lucia Diabetes and Hypertension Association, Andrew Felix, touts the initiative for its push towards front-of-package labeling.
So persons can actually identify what's in the food that they're consuming, because the biggest issues that lead to non-communicable disease is obesity. So we're trying to reduce the level of obesity because we're trying to reduce the pressure that's on our healthcare system.
The aim of the drive is to engender better decision-making by both children and parents with food purchases.
When we talk about front-of-labeling packaging, we're looking at the added content of the salts, the sugar, because a lot of people don't know, when you buy something from the store, it says sodium, but sodium is also salt. The fat content. You also need to be able to identify these things to help yourself to reduce your non-communicable disease that you might be going down. Everybody's in lockdown at the moment. Coming out of lockdown, a lot of people are being identified with obesity. They go to the hospital because they're not feeling well. When they get their checks done, now they're type 2 diabetic. They've got extra cholesterol. And it's all because of the food that they eat.
The campaign will run until April 17th and will be rolled out across all social media, digital, and radio platforms in the Caribbean community, CARICOM member states. But what of accountability? Felix makes no excuses for decisions taken by parents and guardians regarding children's health.
If you're looking at children under the age of 16, you have to blame the parents, you have to blame teachers. There has to be some level of accountability. And the reason I'm saying that is because the children don't go and buy the groceries. The parents buy the groceries. Yeah, so when the parents are buying the groceries, they're giving the children, and the children have to eat what's at home and what's available to them. So based on that, we have to look at making healthy foods cheaper and more unhealthy foods more expensive. And right now it's the other way around.
The focus of the groundbreaking campaign will be on octagonal front-of-package warning labels, after a study carried out in Jamaica found that octagonal labels are most effective. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.